In this next video, I'm going to investigate the Polaroid Instamatic camera. So stay tuned. Hello ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, I'm Canon photographer RandallMRueff, and in this video I'm going to look back a little bit. That's right, look back to where we've come photography wise. That is, what's in the past. Well, I came across something, for those of you who may or may not know what this is. This is a part of our photographic past, and this goes with this Polaroid instant camera. You put this into this and you get pictures. It's pretty simple. You have a little green light up here that tells you to let you know. Over here you have a little itty bitty counter that counts down. You have a button right here that activates the powers up the flash, and then when you push all the way down, it takes your picture. And that's pretty much it. You have a little door right here to open up your film. Put your film in. Now it says film Polaroid 600. So that's it's 600 ISO or ASA. As the case may be in this case. So this was in our cabinet. It's been there for many years. I don't know how long it's been there, but it hasn't been used for a long time. I had one. Well, let me take it back. Mom and Dad had one, then I got one, and I used it for a little bit. And these were, back in the day, these were not, I mean, they weren't expensive, but they weren't cheap either. And this is, when you're done with them, this is what they look like after they're empty. They have a little, there's a, behind there is a little battery. In fact, if you take this, let me break this apart here. This is a little springy thing that pushes the film up. And as you can see here, see it's a little springy. You know, there's unexposed pictures, and when it exposes it, it pushes it up and pulls it out. So you got a little springy mechanism here. And underneath that is this thin battery. Okay. So from back in the day, from back when this came out, this was a big deal because, one, you could do your pictures instantly, but they had a battery for the flash as well. So these have been around for a long time. But I remember when I was about 10 or 12, they were very popular because not only did Mom and Dad, a bunch of people had it because, well, obviously it's no sports camera or wildlife camera, but for casual pictures of your friends or your family, this was the way to go. Of course, most people didn't take it apart when they were done. They just threw this away. So here's a pack of film. I'm going to see if the camera still works. And unbox it here. It looks like it should. I'm looking for the ASA or ISO of the film. It says 600. I suppose what it wants in the thing on the camera, but let's see what the actual film is. I don't know. It doesn't say anything outside, so we'll have to look and see what. And it's wrapped up pretty good. It's wrapped up real good. Oh, there it is. Okay, let's see what we got here. We got a piece of black covering the top, and this says it's got 2 red lines. So that's 600. I don't know. Is that how they see it? It's red. It's red and film Polaroid 600. So let's stick her in there and see what happens. Okay, I'm gonna stick it in there. I think I'm only going to do it one way. And it popped out this little cover here. So let's take a selfie. Now, do you hear that? You hear the battery charging up a little bit. There's your green light, so you know you're ready to go here. Now, on the front here, we've got a lighter and a darker control. And then we've got a 4-foot to infinity for landscape. Well, it's got a picture of a little tree here, which means I'm sure it means landscape. And it goes from 4 foot to infinity, or 1.2 meters to infinity. And then if you slide it over here, a little lens pop. I don't know if you can see that. The lens pops in and it goes. That's for close-ups. 2.4 foot to 0.6 to 1.2 meters. Let's do that one. That sounds like it's gonna be more of a closer up because it's closer. So let's take a selfie here. I know this is a bit bright. Nothing came out. Well, that's not good. Well, maybe I'll put it in upside down. No? Maybe it's not working. I don't know. We'll try it again. Nothing. Okay, maybe it's just too old. Or maybe it's just stuck. Well, here's one trying to come out. Well, there's so far nothing. Not very impressive. It may be the fact that it's too old. I mean, it's just one of those things there for so long it just doesn't work anymore, which could be the case. I'll try it again though. Nothing so far. Try it again. Attempted to murder, whatever. Nope, nothing yet. One, number two. Pull that off. I don't know. I got a feeling it's so old. It's just. Well, we're gonna try it again. Then they're good. Well, let's try it again. Try a little picture over here of just the. And we'll try again. Well, there's something I'm missing. I don't see that right here. It says 8. Yeah. To be honest, I don't know. It only goes in one way. Try to pull off this little. I don't know. Not doing anything. The camera seems to work. I don't know. Let's pull some of these out and see what happens. Alright. Well, that pulled some of the tape off. Let's try another one. Oh, wait a minute. I see something here. Hold on. Here's something. I noticed in the corner here, they got some sticky stuff that's kind of, maybe over time it's melted. I don't know if that's the way it's supposed to be. I don't know. I'm pretty sure that's not. See the little area right here where it's kind of like, it looks like it's melted a little bit. And they may have stuck to each other. So let's try another one. And hopefully, sounds better. Let's try another selfie. Well, nope. And you can see right here, there's still, right here, there's like stuff, so it looks like it's either melted or stuck, or they're sticking together for some reason. So let's try another one. I mean, all we can do is try until it's like running out of film, obviously. It's not working. The film's too old. Yeah, see, in the corner of each one, there's a little where it's like, you can tell it's like melted a little, it got too hot and melted, and it's kind of like sticking together. I don't know how many it looks like. About 2 left. So we're going to try it. Oh, hey, it's actually doing something. I want to go for a selfie. Maybe the last one left. It's flashing, but it's not doing anything else. Well, it tried to spit something out. It got stuck. I finally got stuck in this little roll bar thing here. I think there's one left. We're going to try it and see if I can get me a selfie! Green light's on. Well, see how these turned out. Nope, not a single one of them turned out. That kind of stinks. There's a little bit of rust. I'll take this cartridge apart. You can see on this one there's a little bit of rust. The battery's fine. There's rust. Some rust here. So it's probably gotten wet. At some time the film may have gotten wet. Or it may just be too old. But this has been a fail. Polaroid, 1 step. 600 film. Nothing lasts forever. So maybe a good photograph, which doesn't seem to be taken. So until next time, I'm Canon for RandallMRueff. Saying thanks for watching. Have a good day. God bless you. And as always, keep taking those pictures. Just don't try to use this camera.